Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add custom font or change your font on Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then log in into your Shopify account. After you log into your Shopify account, head over to your dashboard page, and while you're on this dashboard page, you'll need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and tap on online store, which is located in the left hand side bar. After that, it's going to take you to the themes page. Sure, you need to scroll down a bit, go ahead and tap on the three dot icon. Click on edit code from a drop down menu. It's going to take you to the other interface. So here what you'll need to do is you need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go ahead and tap on assets. Once you've tapped on asset, once again you'll be able to see multiple code, but then you'll need to click on base.css. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see code in the right hand side bar. Over here you need to scroll down right at the bottom, and right at the bottom you have a new line. So over here what you have to do is you need to open up a new tab. After that you need to paste in the link, that is pastebin.com/ilftolpz. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below. Over here as well you'll be able to see multiple codes, so you'll need to copy all of the code and then paste it on the other side where we selected the line. So here you can see that the code has been pasted. After that, go ahead and tap on the save button located right on top. After you've saved the changes, you need to go ahead and open up a new tab, and here we'll look for free fonts download. After that, you need to download this particular font. So you need to access it first of all, and you'll be able to see all of the font that is available. So right on top you can see the download button located right next to it. You need to download it. After that you also need to extract the downloaded file and try checking whether the font has been changed or not. So in this way you can make changes with your font on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.